The summer holidays are finally here. But before you start the timer on your first summer revision session, you have to do a mock exam audit. Do not just open your textbook at page 1 and start reading. Dig out your Year 10 mock results right now and find the pain points. That is where your summer begins. I am going to show you the exact weekly time you need to spend on geography this summer, based on one very simple calculation. But first, we need to talk about the study stack. Once the autumn term begins, you will not have a spare second to hunt for good revision sites. Spend time right now researching the best study tools and getting them bookmarked and ready. Here is the ultimate truth about summer revision. How much you need to work has nothing to do with your target grade. It has everything to do with the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Calculate that gap, target grade minus mock grade, and the formula tells you exactly how much weekly time to put into geography. I have built this entire calculation into a free download called the Summer Ledger, linked in the description, so you never have to do the maths yourself. Here is exactly how it breaks down. If your gap is 0, say you scored a grade 6 and you just want to hold that grade 6, your job is pure maintenance. You only need 30 minutes every 2 weeks. If your gap is +1, 1 grade to climb, you need 30 minutes per week. A gap of +2 means 1 hour per week. A gap of +3 is 1.5 hours. And if your gap is +4 or more, 2 hours a week is your ceiling. That is it. Here is that exact breakdown, the same table you will find inside the ledger. Notice that for any subject, none of those weekly targets go above 2 hours. The ledger I just mentioned runs that same calculation across everything you study, so each subject gets its own planned, capped slot, and your weekends stay protected. If this takes the pressure off your summer, smash the like button and join the Grade 9 gang for more Year 11 survival guides. Once you know your weekly time target, we are going to break it down into 25-minute Pomodoro blocks. If you owe geography 1 hour this week, that is 2 focused Pomodoro sessions. A sharp, focused 25 minutes of blurting, flashcards, and fixing mistakes is worth 10 times more than an hour of passively copying out pretty notes. The goal of this summer is to start September motivated and ahead of the game, not exhausted before Year 11 even begins. Download the Summer Ledger in the description right now. Calculate your gap for every subject, assign your Pomodoros, and leave your weekends completely free. You have earned the rest. The Grade 9 gang does not grind through the holidays. We work smart, then we switch off completely. I will be dropping the ultimate autumn term survival guide when you head back to school, so keep your notifications on and have a great summer.